15 तारखेक सुरू जाल्ल्या हेरिटेज फेस्टिवलाचो आयज निमाणो दीस। या महोत्सवात आशिल्ल्या तरेकवार खाणा जेवणांची आनी हस्तकलेच्या वस्तूंची स्टॉलां पळोवपाक आनी लायव्ह म्युझिक आयकुपाक थळाव्यांनी आनी पर्यटकांनी बरीच गर्दी केली। पळयात गोंय दायज महोत्सवाचे कांय देखावे।
The event's been good. We've seen really good people. It's an amazing crowd that's coming by. They're really loving the festival. Food is amazing. I went around. It's amazing food. If you love art, there's some amazing art going on. There's someone from Amsterdam selling beautiful postcards. Please do check it out.
The Goa Heritage Festival. It's been such an amazing 4 days. Please do drop by. Come and understand what the Heritage of Goa is. Come and understand everything Goan, the food, the beverage, everything is fully curated to experience Goa and celebrate Goa.
We are here and he has your products here. Let's ask him what is products.
टिश्यू पेपर नाल्लाचे नाल्ला घेता करता सॅन्ड पेपरान क्लीन करता हय पेपरान आनी एडिटींग काटिंग करता ते करता टायस हे कटाचे म्हाका स्मॉल कोकोनट हेका तोंड लायता